Crypto prices and crypto volatility are in full swing today, and unfortunately, so far, it is a red day. But that is not stopping from analysts from being optimistic. It's not stopping analysts from being optimistic, saying that it's time for Shiba Inu coin to rebound. Now, we've got 3 targets that we need to watch out for. We're going to be discussing them in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you for watching the videos on this channel. You guys watched the videos yesterday, and you know that YouTube is, well, they're giving me some warnings on these videos as well, because I truly believe they don't want us investing in cryptocurrency. They want the institutions to make all of the money in the upcoming bull run and as the future unfolds. But here we are, continuing to invest and continuing to move forward. Now, with that, I do want to say thank you to everybody subscribing to this channel, watching the videos, showing all of the support. I'm not going to be able to post on the other channel until the middle of December, and it's really only a month away. So hopefully this month goes pretty fast here, and we're going to be ready to go. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin and the positive side of things, as analysts are still optimistic. It says there's growing confidence in the Shiba Inu coin community that SHIB could be gearing up for a rebound after price consolidation. Shiba Inu coin has struggled as of late, a condition predominant in the broader cryptocurrency market. However, the meme coin's underperformance appears more severe than some of the others that are out there. After months of trending above the 1,000 point per coin level of support, bears finally defeated the demand zone, adding one more zero to the token's price. Furthermore, a 6% correction over the last 24 hours brings the 30-day negative trend to 24%, with Shiba Inu coin losing more than half of its value since the start of the year. Now, optimism remains for Shiba Inu coin. Meanwhile, market observers are rooting for a bullish price development for SHIB, with some suggesting the token always makes late moves. You've got these analysts among the sharing optimistic sentiment as they discovered a formation that could send SHIB higher. Now, in a recent Shiba Inu coin price prediction on TradingView, they expected a rebound from here, citing several formations on the SHIB USDT 4-hour chart. An accompanying chart shows the meme coin was trending near the tip of the descending triangle, which has suppressed it since mid-October. And you guys, it's very difficult to see on this screen right here, but testing, and they do expect a breakout of that level after, of course, bottoming out near these levels right here. As it bears mentioning that at the time of analysis, Shiba Inu coin was very close to the neckline resistance. However, the cap size earlier today has pushed the token further downward, but it's still within the lower level of support of the structure. So targets for a breakout. Target number 1, 1115 points per coin. Second point, 1170, 21% from the current level. And it also says 1220 is the third level to look out for. It says, meanwhile, we must remain stable, or Bitcoin must remain stable for this move to occur. Pioneering cryptocurrency dropped to 107 today, pushing SHIB away from the breakout trend line from its current level. Historically, altcoins have followed the movement of Bitcoin due to its large market dominance. Shiba Inu coin's macro factors look promising, and Bitcoin could drive the meme coin to make this move. And I agree, right? Everything macroeconomic-wise is looking very good right now. Trade deals between the United States and China. You've got an interest rate cut that just took place, and about a 50-50 split on whether or not it's going to take place again in December. Really, the only thing muddying the waters right now is the government shutdown here in the United States. Now, personally, as far as I'm concerned, they could leave it shut down forever. But as far as the market's concerned, it wants to see it opened up. So with that, when, not if, when the government reopens, remember these people are way too greedy to keep it closed forever. When the government reopens, markets should perform well. Now, that's historically speaking, and of course, that's logically speaking. There's a lot of emotion that goes into the market, so we may not see the knee-jerk reaction that everybody's anticipating. But of course, if you look at it logically, 3 major catalysts taking place, very strong, very positive. The price is just lagging. And I believe that the price has a lot to do with emotion right now. And emotion is unfortunately fearful. So as we move forward, as emotion picks back up, as confidence grows, as sentiment rises, we should see prices do the same. So with that, I continue to buy. One of the places that I am buying is the KCEX exchange. You've got Shiba Inu coin trading for 937 points per coin right now, testing some severe levels of support. So if you guys want to check it out, you got a link for it down in the description. And do not forget to diversify. One of the tokens I've been diversifying into is Maxi Doge. Links for everything. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.